Please refer to the MSDS sheet for proper Wollite 30ST-1 handling procedures. It is strongly recommended that proper protective equipment be worn while using Wollite 30ST-1. Begin by opening the 5-gallon bucket of Wollite Part A. You will be required to mix the contents of Wollite Part A using an electric drill with an impeller until it is completely homogeneous. In some cases, the solids in the 5-gallon bucket will have settled to the bottom and some effort may be required to mix the contents completely. This typically can take a few minutes to accomplish. You must pre-mix Part A as it may have sat on the floor for some time and separated. You will know when Part A is homogeneous as stirring becomes easier until it becomes fairly fluid. At that point, you can stop. If you are using more than one bucket of Wollite 30ST-1, then those buckets should be mixed as well. This will shorten the amount of time it takes to pour all of the buckets when the installation begins. When you are ready to begin, the next step is to pour the catalyst Part B into Part A. If you are pouring a full bucket of Wollite 30ST-1, then you pour the entire contents of Part B into the bucket. This is a 4:1 ratio of Wollite to catalyst. Note that the current packaging allows for easy equivalent mixing, one package to one package. However, for smaller applications, use the 4:1 ratio. Wollite 30ST-1 Part A is supplied in a 5-gallon bucket with only 4 gallons of Part A to allow for easy and accurate mixing. Part B is supplied in a 1-gallon container to be directly added to the bucket of Part A. When Part A and Part B have been combined, stir the new mixture with the same impeller used to mix Part A until the combined ingredients begin to solidify and start to expand in a foaming action. This should take around 60 seconds to adequately mix. Once the mixture starts to foam and expand, it is at the right consistency and ready for pouring. The Wollite must be used within 3 to 5 minutes after mixing. After that amount of time, the Wollite has begun to solidify and harden and is much more difficult to handle. Simply pour the activated Wollite 30ST mixture into the cavity that is being insulated. The liquid mixture will flow freely and completely fill all of the space that is being insulated. This results in excellent insulation properties and complete coverage with the insulating material. Wollite penetrates into all cavity spaces and seeps into empty voids. After expanding and solidifying, the excess Wollite 30ST-1 material can be removed using a scraper. After mixing and pouring Wollite 30ST-1 in a liquid state, the material expands and solidifies within a matter of minutes to a consistent density of approximately 30 pounds per square foot. Wollite has very low thermal conductivity, resulting in even temperatures around the spout and low thermal loss. In addition, Wollite 30ST-1 takes less time to remove and reinstall than other refractory options, allowing for shorter change-out times. Again, to recap, Wollite 30ST-1 offers specific advantages. It has very low viscosity, filling very narrow and complex cavities. It offers energy cost savings due to better insulation efficiency. It is easier and safer to remove and reinstall. It has quick set time and low firing temperature. It is ceramic fiber free and has low thermal conductivity. Thank you for watching. For more information, contact us at info@pyrotech.info or visit us online at www.pyrotech.info/Wollite.